Hey everybody, News Now California. If you're a first-time viewer, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for future video notifications. Okay guys, let's get into it. Today I bring you another video of another dirty cop. The link is in the description. Sam Nawai is the channel link. Get on over there, show him some love. Thank God Sam knew his civil rights.
Good evening, Officer Foster, Prairie Police Department. The reason I pulled you over is failure to dim your lights. Get your bright lights shining in my face.
Oh, I'm sorry about that.
You have a driver's license and insurance verification, sir?
Yeah.
Where are you coming from?
Texas?
From Texas?
Yep.
Where are you headed to?
Oklahoma?
We're at in Oklahoma.
Can you just find your insurance first?
Where are you headed to? Where are you headed to?
I told you Oklahoma.
We're at in Oklahoma.
Is there any problem?
Huh? Well, at the moment, I'm just wondering where you're headed to, and you can't seem to tell me.
Do I have to?
I guess if you don't want to, you don't have to.
Yeah.
What's that?
I just don't feel to answer any questions.
Do what?
I just don't feel to answer any questions.
Okay. What was that sound that just happened in your truck? That you do need to answer.
No, I don't have to answer that too.
Okay. Do me a favor. Step out of the vehicle for me, please.
Is there any problem?
At the moment there is. Step out of the vehicle, please.
This is my hands.
I see your hands, sir. Unbuckle your seatbelt.
It's my phone.
I see your phone. Leave your phone where it's at, sir.
I'm recording.
Leave your phone where it's at. Leave your phone where it's at. Unbuckle your seatbelt.
Can you call your supervisor?
My supervisor will be making an appearance in a minute. Unbuckle your seatbelt and step out of the vehicle.
Okay.
Leave your phone in the vehicle, sir.
I have the right to record.
I'm recording right
I
here.
have the right to record.
I have a recording right here. 28 to 8
denying me
Q96,
to
my
record
location,
this
please.
interaction?
Step out of the vehicle, sir.
I would
I'm not going to ask you again, sir. Step out of the vehicle.
Is there any problem?
Yes, there is a problem, sir.
What is it?
Right now, it's your lack of cooperation. Put your phone down. You can leave it recording, but it stays in your vehicle. Step out of the vehicle, please.
I'm gonna step out.
I'm gonna ask you one more time. You want to turn your engine off? Turn it off. Step out of the vehicle.
Here is the keys.
Step out of the vehicle, sir. Put your phone back in your vehicle.
I have the right to record you.
No, sir, you don't have the right to record me. Right now, you have the right to stop hindering my investigation.
It's a phone.
Put your phone in the vehicle, or I will take it out of your hand and put it in your vehicle.
Sir, I know my. Call your supervisor.
My supervisor's right there. Put your phone up.
Here is my hands. Here is my phone.
Put your phone back in your vehicle.
Why you don't want to be recorded? Are you gonna do something wrong to me?
I'm recording right here.
I want to record too.
I got a record here and one in my vehicle. So
this is my First Amendment right.
Sir, put your phone back in the vehicle and stop hindering my investigation, and then step back here with me.
Am I being detained?
Yes, you are being detained.
For what?
Right now for a traffic violation.
Okay.
And a lack of answering any questions that I ask it whatsoever. So
do I have to answer your questions?
Yes, certain questions you do have to answer. Okay. Put your phone down, step back here for me.
Is that your supervisor?
That's my supervisor. Put your phone down, come back here with me.
Can I talk to you? That's my keys, that's my phone. Okay. I told him I'm just gonna record this interaction, this traffic stop. He's telling me no, you don't have the right to record.
You have every right to record.
Okay,
we're recording though too.
Okay.
So
and they asked him, am I being detained? He said yes, because of a traffic interaction. I said, okay, that's fine. He said that I have to answer every question he asked, some of the questions he asked. I told him, because he kept asking me questions, I said, you know what, I really don't fit to answer any question.
Okay.
And he started to escalate. He put his hand on the gun, and he started to tell me what's the sound inside your vehicle. I wanted to answer none of your questions. You asked me for the license?
In your registration, and then I asked you what was going on in your vehicle. I didn't see your hands, and I hear a noise come out of your vehicle. I asked you what it is.
You never said
you showed me your hands after I asked you what the noise was, and you said I don't feel like answering your questions.
I don't have to answer any questions. What's your name?
Officer Foster,
What's your badge number?
28.
Your name, sir?
Sergeant Flam.
Your badge number?
8.
Okay, so
Step back here in front of my
can I
vehicle.
close my door?
Absolutely.
Okay.
So you gonna answer my question yet? What was that sound that your vehicle is making? The sound coming out of your vehicle
Sir,
when I asked you what was going on.
Question. I would like to be fair in my way.
You'd like to what?
Just go right.
Yeah. Huh?
Mr. C, what's your current address?
Whoever is in driver license. Am I giving
That-
a
Is that a,
warning
is
or
that,
something? Am I
is
giving
that
a
a,
warning
is that a correct
or a ticket?
address that's on your license?
Am I giving a ticket or a warning?
I'm asking you a question, sir. Answer
just
my
asking
question.
me.
You answer my question, I'll answer yours. Right now, you need to answer my question. What is your address?
Okay, let me tell you something. Every citizen you stopped. Not every citizen is ignorant on his rights. Okay, I don't know if they teach you that in the police academy,
You have to tell me your
but
address
there
when
is
I ask for it.
constitutional rights.
Your
There is
con-
the First Amendment to record. That's what I'm doing. There is the Fourth Amendment
Are you not going to give
to
me your
refuse
address?
searches and seizures, and there is the Fifth Amendment to refuse to answer any question.
Okay,
It
but
doesn't matter
hold
where
on,
is it.
hold on.
That's the Fifth Amendment. So if I choose to answer your question, that's fine. I choose to. If I say, sir, I want to remain silent, that's my right. But that's true, right?
What's that?
If I want to answer questions, I want to have to answer questions, right?
You're fine.
Yeah, I have to know that. I always try to de-escalate, you know, because not everybody you stop is a criminal or a bad man. There are some people who are nice, but they choose not to answer. They choose just to remain silent, you know. That's their constitutional right.
Okay.
Okay.
It's not going to cost you any points on your license. There's no court date associated with it. No money. Okay. There's your copy of your warning. There's your insurance verification. I need to sign right there. It just states that I gave you the warning and explained it to you. What's your phone number, sir? Area code first.
I don't wish to give that one to.
I gotta have it for my system, sir.
Do I have to give that one?
And to complete our job, we have to have it. You can give us your company phone number if you want to do that. We just need a phone number
For what?
for our system. Like I said, it's you have your paperwork you have to fill out. This is our paperwork. It's on there. You can see.
You got my driver license. You got my name. You got my birthday. You got my address. What else you need? You don't need my phone
A phone number.
sir.
My system requires a phone number,
I just
sir.
don't wish to give it, sir. You got everything. My insurance, my plate, you got my whole life right there. So I don't know why you need my phone number. So can I get my driver license so I can be free to go?
Here's your driver's license. You're free to go, sir.
Thank you.
Be safe. Have a good night. Make sure you dim those bright lights, sir.